So if you have been trying so hard to schedule your video, to set a premiere, you don't even know how to do it, this video is for you. Relax, I am here. I always got you covered. Hello BG lovers, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? In case you are just seeing this beautiful face for the first time, my name is Bee, a Nigerian based YouTuber based here in Nigeria. You guys know that whenever I sit down like this, it's going to be either teaching or something different. So yes, welcome to another tutorial video. On this video, I'm going to teach you how you can schedule your live stream or your video before uploading or going live on YouTube. Okay, you know, sometimes you'll be very busy. We are very busy sometimes, and it's best for us to schedule our videos or our live stream, okay, before going live or uploading it on YouTube. So when we talk about schedule, what is the meaning of schedule? I know you'll be wondering what is the meaning of schedule. So schedule means you setting the time, the date, the hour you want your videos or your live stream to go up on YouTube. Okay, so it is you setting the time, the date, the hour you want to go live on YouTube. So let's say you want to go live tomorrow on YouTube and you want to schedule your live stream. You can schedule it and it will just be there until you go live the next day. So schedule means you setting your date, your time, and the day you want to go live on YouTube. Okay, so that is the meaning of schedule. So when we talk about premiere, what is the meaning of premiere? Premiere is just like a reminder that is sending across YouTube or across your subscribers that you have a videos or you have a live stream that will be coming up at so time. It means like you have an event that will be coming up at this time. So you're just telling your subscribers ahead of time that something or an event is going to be coming up in your channel. So that is the meaning of premiere. It's just like an alarm. It's that is sending across your channel, across YouTube, telling your audience that your videos or your live stream is going to come up by this time, and it's going to keep them engaging. It's just like informing someone that it's just like you are inviting someone that I have a wedding, I'm inviting you for a wedding, and you have given them the date that this wedding is coming up. That is how premiere is. It's just going to keep them notified. It's just going to keep them informed that your videos is going to come up or your live stream is going to come up by this time. So on this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can do that on your live stream on YouTube. Okay, so all I want you to do for me, please all I want you to do for me is to kindly please watch this video to the end. Please, it's very important you watch this video and share this video so that other people can come in and learn one or two things from this video. Okay, so if you have been trying so hard to schedule your video, to set a premiere, you don't even know how to do it, this video is for you. Relax, I am here. I always got you covered, so I am here to teach you how to do that. So on the next clip you'll be seeing, I'll be sharing my screen with you guys. Make sure you thumbs up, very thumbs up. Guys, I'm on my channel, so let's say I want to schedule a live stream. I'm going to go on my plus. I'm going to press on the plus sign that is here on the plus, then it's going to take me to my live session. Okay, and I'm going to click on my name. You can see here they say Believe George Vlog is live. Let's say I want to add something like hello world. I've already put my channel on automatic. No, it is not made for kids, because you always have to set this on your live stream before going live. It's very important. If you have not been setting your channel on no, it is not made for kids, please start doing it now. Okay, since this is already set, I don't need to set anything here again. So I'm going to add my description. You can see, let me just say join in let's chat with a sticker. Then I'm going to add my hashtag livestream STREAM livestream. Okay, I'm done with that. I'm going to follow this arrow. I'm going to press on the arrow back. Then I'm going to add my location, Nigeria. can see it's already bring us like location that are near me in Nigeria. So I'm going to click on Nigeria. I'm going to click on Nigeria. If I want to invite somebody to go live together, you can see go live together, but I'm not inviting anybody. They say this when the setting now began. We'll go to schedule for later. You can see schedule for later here. This is it. This is it. I'm going to click on it, schedule for later. So it's going to take me to where I can schedule my live. Schedule for later, I'm going to turn it on. You see, you turn it on from here. You can see that it's on. If it's like this, it is off. If it's like this, it is on. Then I'm going to click on it. You can see today is 27 of November. I'm going to set it to 27. Then I'll press OK. Then I'm going to set it. This is where you will set it to the time that you want to go live. Let's say I want to go live by 4 p.m. It's standing 12 o'clock here, so I'm going to press 4. Then I'm going to press 4 o'clock. You can see AM and PM here, so I'm going to press on. You can see it's showing 4 o'clock PM. Then I'm going to press OK. Then I will now go to visibility. You can see my visibility. This is my visibility, and I'm going to press on visibility. My visibility is showing public. I don't want it to be on public now, so I'm going to press on public and put it on public. If I put it on unlisted, that means I don't want anybody to see it at all, even if it's uploading. Even if I'm on Premiere, it's not going to show. It's not going to show, so it's just going to be on public. But since I've already scheduled it, this is going to be the time and the date, the time, the date, the hour I want to go live. Everything is already here. So let's continue. Now let's go to next. It's loading. So you can see stream set for November 27, 2024 at 4 o'clock p.m. You can see that, right? Now I'm going to click on this pencil sign that you are seeing here. It's going to show me edit setting, take thumbnail, upload thumbnail. I'm going to upload a thumbnail for this live stream. So now let's see the pictures I'm going to use. I'm going to use this picture. Then I'm going to zoom it. I've zoomed it. You see? I'm zooming it. I'm going to zoom it to the length. Then I'm going to press save. You can see my picture is uploading. My thumbnail is uploading. Then I didn't want to schedule any live stream now, but because for the purpose of this video, I just want to schedule it. Okay, maybe I can delete it after. So then let's say done. If I want to go live now, I can go live. You can see done and go live, but I'm not going live now. So I'm going to press done because it's going to be like a premiere and I'm scheduling it. Okay, so it's done. Can you see this box here that is showing 1 there? Because I have a premiere that is supposed to go up. My premiere is already here. Schedule live stream. If I want to delete it, I cannot delete from here. But since I don't want to delete it for now, let's see. I want to go to my channel and to see if my live stream has been scheduled. Okay, so this is my channel. So you can see that my live stream is scheduled, right? Believe Joy Vlog is live. Hello world, and it's coming up on the 27 on the 11th. It's coming up on, you can see the date. Let's click on it. Live in 5 hours. So you can see. So this is how to schedule your live stream. This is how to schedule your live stream. You see everything I did there is already here, and it's still the same process if you want to schedule your video. It's still the same process if you want to schedule your video. So anybody that is coming on my channel now is going to be seeing this notification notifying me. So you have to notify yourself and click on the notification. Okay, so you can see, you see everything is already scheduled. So for you that have been trying to schedule your live stream on YouTube. I hope you have learned how to do so. And please, you can also tell me your opinion. If there's anywhere I make mistake in this video, please, I'm open for correction. Okay, if there's anywhere you feel like I didn't do it right, I made mistake, please tell me in the comment section. We are all here to learn. Even me too, I'm still learning. I am still learning. So yeah, thanks for watching this video to the end. I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share. My name is Billy and I sign out. Bye.